Hi everyone. This video is going to give a high-level overview of Boken's booking engine widgets. So here we are on the widget setup page, and if you look to the left, you can see we have 4 different types of widgets in the Boken platform. We have the button widget, the booking calendar, the product page, and the product list. So let's take a look at what these widgets look like when they're actually uploaded to client websites. Starting with the calendar, we have a client here. This is their product page. And if we can scroll down, we can see the booking calendar widget. This is sort of the simplest setup where the widget is embedded directly on the site. And essentially what I would do is if I'm the traveler, I'll pick a date for the tour. I'll choose a start time. And then I can add the tour to my cart and proceed to the checkout. This is where I'll be asked for contact information and I can pay for the tour. So that's the calendar by itself. What you can also do is use the button widget to open up into any of the other 3 widgets. So the button can open up into the calendar, the product page, or the product list widget. So we'll take a look at the booking button on our next example here. This is a different client site, and here's their tour page. What we've done is embedded the booking button here at the bottom, and it'll open up into the calendar. One thing to note about the button is that it's completely customizable in terms of the size, the shape, the colors, and the text. So we've chosen some colors that go along with this client site. If I click Book Now, you'll notice the calendar opens. Now, in this case, we have a banner photo with the title of the tour on top. So that's a customizable setting that you can choose to use in the widget settings. Otherwise, this works exactly the same as the calendar in our previous example. What we've also done for this client is embed a booking button that leads to the product page. So down here, you can see they're advertising some additional tours, and we've resized the Book Now button to go along with what's appropriate for this part of the page. If I click on Book Now, it will bring up the product page. So this is slightly different from the calendar in that there's a little bit more going on here in terms of information about the tour. We've got a short description up top and then a long description. It includes things such as what's included in the tour, what's not included in the tour, anything to note, the cancellation policy, so on and so forth. And then, of course, it's integrated the calendar, which works just as it did with the regular calendar widget. So finally, we want to take a look at the product list widget. So this is our last example, and you can see this is a client's page that has a Book Your Tour Now tab. If I click on that, we'll be brought to the product list. So here we have their list of products. You can see they've got the title of the tour, the duration, and then the price showing in the bottom right corner. Again, these features are customizable, so please see our help desk articles for how to build your widgets and customize them. But essentially, if I click into any product, it's going to pop up the product page, just as we saw with the last example. So I hope this was helpful. Once again, this is just meant to be a high-level overview. If you are interested in using our widgets and need assistance embedding them on your website, we have guides in our help desk for how to do that. We also have guides for how to customize the widgets, so please use our help desk for further information. Thank you so much for choosing Boken, and have a great day.